Good afternoon, class. Our topic for today is angles. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to achieve these three objectives. 1. How to define angle. How to define an angle. 2. Identify the parts of angle. Identify the path of angle. 3. State at least 4 types of angle. State at least 4 types of angle. So when you say an angle is formed when 2 straight lines or rays meet at a common endpoint. The common endpoint of contact is called vertex of an angle. The word angle comes from a Latin word named angulus. Angulus. This is the Latin word for an angle. When you say angulus, angulus means corners. Corners. Now let's come to our real life examples. Some of the examples of an angle. Yes, statement. Scissors, good. Examples of an angle. Seated. 2. Yes, Esther. Arrow heads, good. Next one. Pyramid, good. Anyone else? Edges of a table, good. So these are some of the examples of angles. The symbol for an angle is like this. This is a symbol of an angle. And always angles are measured in degrees. Using what? Protractor. Angles are measured in degrees using a protractor. Let's see, you have 45 degrees. (45 degrees). This is how you write it when representing an angle. 45 degrees. That is how you should write it. Now let's move on to parts of an angle. When you say parts of an angle has 4 parts. The first part is the vertex. One, vertex. When you say a vertex is a corner of an angle, a point square 2 lines meet. Let's look at this example like this. We have a straight line and also another line. Let's name here fold, N, B. Where these 2 lines meet, these are called fold. So where these 2 lines meet is called vertex. Points O to B is called the initial side. initial side. When you say initial side, also known as the reference line, a straight line from which an angle is drawn. So O is the reference line. O to B is the reference line. The third part is the arms. The arms. When you see the arms, let's look at this example. This is a line. This is also a line. So when you say line, arms, the two sides of the angles join at a common endpoint. The two sides of the angle join at a common endpoint. That's the arms. And the last one, the fourth point, is the terminal side. The terminal side. When you see the terminal side, the side after which the angle's measurement is done. In the given diagram, this is the given diagram. In the given diagram, OA is the terminal side. So here is the initial, and 4A is the terminal side. So point OA is the initial side. Point OB is the initial side. Point OD is the terminal side. And where these two lines meet is called the vertex. Now let's move on to the types of angles. Type of angle. What? We have an acute angle. An acute angle measures less than 90 degrees at the vertex. Example is angle greater than 0 but less than 90 degrees. So let's name the 45 degrees. This is an acute angle. And the next one is obtuse angle. When you say obtuse angle, it's between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Obtuse. Example is a type of angle measured between 90 degrees and 180. These are the example of obtuse angle. Let's say there is angle 120 degrees. This is an obtuse angle. The next one is right angle. Right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Right angle. This is a right angle. It measures 19 degrees. And the fourth one, angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line is sum of 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Let's look at this example. This is angle on a straight line. Is sum of 180 degrees. Now, for the end of the lesson, this is what we are placed to plan. The angles. We have known the definition of angles, also the parts of an angle, and also at least 4 types of an angle. Thank you.